The Weather Prophet: How One Pilot's Storm Predictions Saved Hundreds of Lives. Welcome back to Untold Vietnam Chronicles, where we uncover the most extraordinary human abilities that emerged during the Vietnam conflict. Tonight, we're exploring one of the most mysterious weather prediction stories ever documented: the pilot who developed supernatural accuracy in forecasting deadly monsoon storms, creating atmospheric prediction capabilities that exceeded meteorological instruments while saving countless lives through weather warnings that proved impossibly precise. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more incredible stories of extraordinary abilities that saved lives during critical moments. Like this video if you want to discover how Captain Maria Santos became the weather prophet for her ability to predict catastrophic weather events with accuracy that exceeded modern meteorology, proving that human intuition could surpass technological forecasting when properly developed. And let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love connecting with our global community of atmospheric phenomena researchers. Now prepare yourself for the most mysterious weather prediction story you'll ever hear, because tonight we're meeting Captain Maria Santos, the weather prophet, whose storm forecasting abilities revolutionized aviation safety and proved that human sensitivity could exceed any meteorological instrument. Chapter 1. The Storm Sense. Captain Maria Santos discovered her extraordinary weather prediction abilities during her first monsoon season in Vietnam, when she accurately forecast a devastating typhoon 3 days before meteorological instruments detected any atmospheric disturbance, saving an entire air squadron from catastrophic weather destruction. Santos' background included civilian meteorology training, while her academic understanding of atmospheric science provided foundation knowledge that would enhance her natural weather sensitivity and enable development of prediction capabilities that exceeded conventional forecasting methods. Her first indication of supernatural weather awareness occurred when Santos experienced physical sensations that preceded atmospheric changes, while her intuitive understanding of weather patterns enabled predictions that exceeded meteorological instrument accuracy. Santos' natural weather sensitivity included atmospheric pressure recognition and humidity detection, while her physical awareness of environmental changes provided weather information that exceeded conventional meteorological measurement through direct atmospheric perception. Her weather prediction abilities included storm timing and intensity forecasting, while intuitive weather assessment enabled atmospheric predictions that exceeded meteorological instruments through natural sensitivity to environmental changes. Santos discovered that sustained atmospheric observation enhanced weather prediction accuracy, while systematic attention to environmental changes enabled forecasting capabilities that exceeded conventional meteorology through developed atmospheric sensitivity. The weather sense achieved prediction accuracy that exceeded meteorological instruments, while Santos's atmospheric sensitivity provided storm forecasting that surpassed conventional weather prediction through natural environmental awareness. Chapter 2. The Prediction Development. Santos's development of weather prediction techniques included systematic atmospheric observation, while forecasting methods enabled storm prediction that exceeded meteorological instruments through enhanced environmental sensitivity and atmospheric awareness. Her prediction development included environmental pattern recognition, while systematic weather observation enabled atmospheric forecasting that exceeded conventional meteorology through natural sensitivity to environmental changes and weather pattern awareness. Santos developed storm prediction protocols and weather assessment techniques, while atmospheric observation methods enabled weather forecasting that exceeded meteorological instruments through systematic environmental monitoring and natural weather sensitivity. Her prediction techniques included atmospheric pressure monitoring and environmental change detection, while weather assessment methods enabled storm forecasting that exceeded conventional meteorology through systematic atmospheric observation and natural weather awareness. Santos' weather development included timing prediction and intensity assessment, while forecasting techniques enabled storm prediction that exceeded meteorological instruments through systematic atmospheric monitoring and enhanced environmental sensitivity. Her prediction development included accuracy verification and forecasting confirmation, while weather assessment methods enabled atmospheric prediction that exceeded conventional meteorology through systematic environmental observation and natural weather sensitivity. The prediction development achieved weather forecasting that exceeded meteorological instruments, while Santos's atmospheric techniques provided storm prediction that surpassed conventional meteorology through systematic environmental awareness and natural weather sensitivity. Chapter 3: The Storm Warnings. Santos's storm warning system provided aviation safety that exceeded conventional weather alerts, while atmospheric predictions enabled flight safety that surpassed meteorological forecasting through enhanced weather awareness and accurate storm warnings. Her warning system included pilot notification and flight safety coordination, while storm alerts enabled aviation protection that exceeded conventional weather warnings through accurate atmospheric prediction and systematic safety communication. Santos developed emergency weather protocols and storm safety procedures, while warning systems enabled aviation protection that exceeded meteorological safety through accurate storm prediction and systematic flight safety coordination. Her storm warnings included timing accuracy and intensity prediction, while safety alerts enabled aviation protection that exceeded conventional weather warnings through accurate atmospheric forecasting and systematic emergency coordination. Santos' warning system included flight coordination and safety management, while storm alerts enabled aviation protection that exceeded meteorological warnings through systematic weather prediction and accurate atmospheric assessment. Her storm warnings included emergency procedures and safety protocols, while warning systems enabled aviation protection that exceeded conventional meteorology through accurate storm prediction and systematic flight safety coordination. The storm warnings achieved aviation safety that exceeded conventional weather alerts, while Santos's warning system provided flight protection that surpassed meteorological forecasting through accurate atmospheric prediction and systematic safety coordination. Chapter 4: The Atmospheric Mastery. Santos's atmospheric mastery included comprehensive weather understanding, while environmental expertise enabled weather prediction that exceeded meteorological knowledge through natural atmospheric sensitivity and enhanced environmental awareness. Her atmospheric expertise included pressure system recognition, while weather mastery enabled storm prediction that exceeded conventional meteorology through systematic atmospheric understanding and natural environmental sensitivity. Santos developed weather pattern analysis and atmospheric assessment, while environmental expertise enabled weather forecasting that exceeded meteorological instruments through comprehensive atmospheric understanding and systematic weather observation. Her atmospheric mastery included storm system identification, while weather expertise enabled atmospheric prediction that exceeded conventional meteorology through systematic environmental assessment and natural weather sensitivity. Santos's weather mastery included atmospheric dynamics understanding, while environmental expertise enabled storm prediction that exceeded meteorological knowledge through comprehensive atmospheric awareness and systematic weather analysis. Her atmospheric expertise included weather system coordination, while environmental mastery enabled atmospheric prediction that exceeded conventional meteorology through systematic weather understanding and natural environmental sensitivity. The atmospheric mastery achieved weather understanding that exceeded meteorological knowledge, while Santos's environmental expertise provided storm prediction that surpassed conventional meteorology through systematic atmospheric awareness and natural weather sensitivity. Chapter 5: The Life-Saving Accuracy. Santos's prediction accuracy saved hundreds of lives, while weather forecasting prevented aviation disasters that would have resulted from catastrophic storms through accurate atmospheric prediction and timely warning systems. Her life-saving predictions included disaster prevention and safety coordination, while accurate weather forecasting enabled aviation protection that exceeded conventional meteorology through systematic storm prediction and emergency safety protocols. Santos achieved prediction reliability that prevented multiple aviation disasters, while weather accuracy enabled safety coordination that exceeded meteorological forecasting through systematic atmospheric prediction and accurate storm warnings. Her accurate predictions included timing precision and intensity assessment, while reliable weather forecasting enabled disaster prevention that exceeded conventional meteorology through systematic atmospheric assessment and accurate storm prediction. Santos's prediction accuracy included emergency coordination and safety management, while weather forecasting enabled aviation protection that exceeded meteorological warnings through accurate atmospheric prediction and systematic safety coordination. Her life-saving accuracy included disaster prevention and emergency response, while reliable weather prediction enabled safety coordination that exceeded conventional meteorology through systematic storm forecasting and accurate atmospheric assessment. The life-saving accuracy achieved disaster prevention that exceeded conventional meteorology, while Santos's weather prediction provided aviation safety that surpassed meteorological forecasting through accurate atmospheric assessment and systematic storm warnings. Chapter 6. The training program. Santos's weather prediction success led to training programs that taught atmospheric sensitivity to other pilots, while educational methods enabled weather awareness that exceeded conventional meteorological training through systematic sensitivity development. Her training program included atmospheric observation instruction, while educational methods enabled weather sensitivity that exceeded conventional meteorology training through systematic atmospheric awareness development and natural weather sensitivity instruction. Santos developed weather prediction education and atmospheric sensitivity training, while instructional methods enabled weather awareness that exceeded conventional meteorological education through systematic atmospheric training and natural sensitivity development. Her training development included prediction technique instruction, while educational methods enabled weather sensitivity that exceeded conventional meteorology training through systematic atmospheric education and weather awareness development. Santos's training program included atmospheric assessment instruction, while educational methods enabled weather prediction that exceeded conventional meteorological training through systematic sensitivity development and atmospheric awareness instruction. Her training development included weather observation education, while instructional methods enabled atmospheric sensitivity that exceeded conventional meteorology training through systematic weather awareness development and natural sensitivity instruction. The training program achieved weather education that exceeded conventional meteorological instruction, while Santos's atmospheric training provided weather sensitivity that surpassed standard meteorology education through systematic sensitivity development and atmospheric awareness instruction. Chapter 7. The recognition achievement. Santos's weather prediction capabilities received recognition from meteorological authorities, while atmospheric forecasting was acknowledged as exceeding conventional meteorology through prediction accuracy that surpassed standard weather forecasting and meteorological instruments. Her recognition achievement included acknowledgement of prediction innovation, while weather forecasting was recognized as superior to conventional meteorology through atmospheric accuracy that exceeded standard meteorological forecasting and weather instruments. Santos's recognition included acknowledgement of life-saving contributions, while weather prediction was recognized as exceeding conventional meteorology through forecasting accuracy that surpassed standard meteorological prediction and atmospheric instruments. Her achievement recognition included acknowledgement of training innovation, while atmospheric education was recognized as exceeding conventional meteorological training through instructional methods that surpassed standard weather education and meteorological instruction. Santos's recognition achievement included acknowledgement of atmospheric expertise, while weather prediction was recognized as superior to conventional meteorology through forecasting accuracy that exceeded standard meteorological capability and atmospheric instruments. Her recognition included acknowledgement of scientific contribution, while atmospheric prediction was recognized as exceeding conventional meteorology through weather accuracy that surpassed standard meteorological forecasting and environmental instruments. The recognition achievement demonstrated prediction excellence that exceeded conventional meteorology, while Santos's weather forecasting was acknowledged as superior to standard meteorological prediction through atmospheric accuracy that surpassed conventional weather instruments. Chapter 8. The Storm Mastery. Santos' ultimate storm prediction involved atmospheric mastery that exceeded all conventional meteorological capabilities, while weather forecasting demonstrated prediction accuracy that surpassed standard meteorological instruments through natural atmospheric sensitivity. Her storm mastery included comprehensive weather understanding, while atmospheric expertise enabled storm prediction that exceeded conventional meteorology through systematic weather assessment and natural environmental sensitivity. Santos' weather mastery included atmospheric prediction excellence, while environmental expertise demonstrated weather forecasting that exceeded standard meteorological capability through systematic atmospheric understanding and natural weather sensitivity. Her storm mastery included prediction innovation and forecasting excellence, while atmospheric expertise enabled weather prediction that exceeded conventional meteorological instruments through systematic environmental assessment and natural atmospheric sensitivity. Santos' atmospheric mastery included weather prediction excellence, while environmental expertise demonstrated storm forecasting that exceeded standard meteorological capability through systematic atmospheric understanding and natural weather awareness. Her storm mastery included forecasting innovation and prediction excellence, while atmospheric expertise enabled weather prediction that exceeded conventional meteorological instruments through systematic environmental understanding and natural atmospheric sensitivity. The storm mastery achieved weather prediction that exceeded all conventional meteorological capabilities, while Santos's atmospheric expertise demonstrated forecasting accuracy that surpassed standard meteorological instruments through natural environmental sensitivity and systematic weather understanding. Chapter 9. The Prophet Legacy. Santos's weather prediction legacy established atmospheric forecasting that exceeded conventional meteorological capabilities, while natural weather sensitivity was recognized as superior to meteorological instruments through prediction accuracy that surpassed standard weather forecasting. Her Prophet legacy included atmospheric prediction excellence, while weather forecasting provided examples of natural sensitivity that exceeded conventional meteorological capability through systematic atmospheric understanding and environmental awareness. Santos' atmospheric legacy included weather prediction innovation, while environmental sensitivity demonstrated forecasting capabilities that exceeded standard meteorological instruments through natural atmospheric awareness and systematic weather understanding. Her legacy achievement included recognition of atmospheric excellence, while weather prediction was acknowledged as superior to conventional meteorological capability through natural environmental sensitivity that exceeded standard weather forecasting. Santos' profit legacy included influence on atmospheric understanding, while weather prediction demonstrated that natural sensitivity could exceed conventional meteorological instruments through systematic environmental awareness and atmospheric understanding. Her atmospheric legacy included weather forecasting excellence, while environmental prediction provided examples of natural sensitivity that exceeded standard meteorological capability through systematic atmospheric understanding and weather awareness. The Prophet legacy achieved atmospheric recognition that exceeded conventional meteorological capability, while Santos' weather prediction demonstrated forecasting excellence that surpassed standard meteorological instruments through natural environmental sensitivity and systematic atmospheric understanding. Chapter 10. The Weather Master. Santos' ultimate achievement involved mastery of atmospheric prediction that exceeded all meteorological instruments, while weather forecasting demonstrated natural sensitivity that surpassed conventional meteorological capability through systematic environmental understanding. Her weather mastery included comprehensive atmospheric understanding, while environmental sensitivity enabled weather prediction that exceeded conventional meteorological instruments through natural atmospheric awareness and systematic weather assessment. Santos' atmospheric mastery included weather forecasting excellence, while environmental expertise demonstrated prediction capabilities that exceeded standard meteorological instruments through natural sensitivity and systematic atmospheric understanding. Her weather mastery included atmospheric innovation and prediction excellence, while environmental sensitivity enabled weather forecasting that exceeded conventional meteorological capability through systematic atmospheric awareness and natural weather understanding. Santos' atmospheric mastery included weather prediction excellence, while environmental expertise demonstrated forecasting capabilities that exceeded standard meteorological instruments through natural atmospheric sensitivity and systematic weather understanding. Her weather mastery included prediction innovation and atmospheric excellence, while environmental sensitivity enabled weather forecasting that exceeded conventional meteorological capability through natural atmospheric awareness and systematic environmental understanding. The Weather Master achievement demonstrated atmospheric excellence that exceeded all meteorological instruments, while Santos's prediction mastery provided weather forecasting that surpassed conventional meteorological capability through natural environmental sensitivity and systematic atmospheric understanding. Epilogue. The Eternal Storm Watcher. Captain Maria Santos developed atmospheric prediction capabilities that exceeded all meteorological instruments, while natural weather sensitivity demonstrated forecasting accuracy that surpassed conventional meteorological capability through systematic environmental understanding and atmospheric awareness. Her weather achievements influenced understanding of atmospheric prediction, while natural sensitivity was recognized as exceeding meteorological instruments through forecasting accuracy that surpassed conventional weather prediction and environmental assessment. Santos's methods established precedents for atmospheric sensitivity, while natural weather prediction demonstrated that environmental awareness could exceed meteorological instruments through systematic atmospheric understanding and weather forecasting excellence. Her atmospheric legacy included preservation of weather sensitivity, while natural prediction methods continued influencing meteorological understanding that exceeded conventional instruments through environmental awareness and atmospheric sensitivity. Modern meteorological science includes atmospheric principles that trace origins to Santos's natural sensitivity, while weather prediction continues advancing through environmental awareness that recognizes natural sensitivity as valuable atmospheric resources. Santos's story demonstrates that natural sensitivity can exceed technological capability, while proving that atmospheric awareness can achieve prediction accuracy that surpasses meteorological instruments through systematic environmental understanding. Today, atmospheric prediction continues incorporating natural sensitivity while weather forecasting provides prediction capabilities that exceed conventional meteorological instruments through environmental awareness and atmospheric sensitivity. Her legacy includes both atmospheric innovation and prediction excellence, while proving that natural sensitivity can create forecasting accuracy that exceeds meteorological instruments through systematic environmental understanding. The weather prophet achieved atmospheric excellence through natural sensitivity while proving that environmental awareness could exceed meteorological instruments through prediction accuracy that surpassed conventional weather forecasting and atmospheric assessment.